Hello, everyone. I have a helpful tip for those who use Stripe for their payments. If you are interested in receiving instant payouts on Stripe, it is possible with a few simple steps. Firstly, you need to open up any web browser and search for Dashboard Stripe.com. Wait for the dashboard page to load up and then select Settings on the top right corner. From there, search for Business Settings and tap on External Payout Accounts and Scheduling. You will be able to see the payout schedule, but keep in mind that in order to be eligible for instant payouts, your account must be at least 60 days old and have reached a minimum of $5,000 in sales. If you meet these requirements, you can activate instant payouts in the future and receive payment as soon as you make a sale. It's a simple process that can help ensure you get paid faster and more conveniently.